Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have Google Pixel FRP lock. How to unlock FRP Google Pixel 7 Pro. In this video I will show how to bypass Google Pixel FRP. All Google Pixel same method. Connect Wi-Fi first. Take here some time loading. You can see lock here FRP lock. Escape. It's don't copy. If you have pen, you don't know what is pin code. So use my Google account. Here you can see if you have mobile number you can also forget and enter your mobile phone number easily. You need enter SIM first and then number. Your Google will be automatic verifying and your mobile will be unlocked. Okay, if you have a SIM card, you don't have also SIM number. So change not working. We have a tool minimal ADB and password. Okay, this tool you can download easily here. Fast food ADB. This first one, okay, latest version and download. Start. I have already downloaded this tool, so I don't need just power off your mobile phone. First, click volume down and power button. Press both buttons same time. Power plus volume down. Bootloader is unlocked. If your mobile bootloader is unlocked, you can just one click see fast boot erase FRP. Fast boot erase FRP. Click enter. Not see fast boot erase FRP. Okay, see erasing FRP just one click. Can see erasing FRP 32 seconds. Just 32 seconds. Finish total time. And now fast boot reboot, and click enter. All Google Pixel same method you can use. If your mobile phone bootloader is unlocked, use this method for unlock FRP. You can see start checking, skip, don't copy. See skip option here. Skip Google account, skip accept. Okay, skip. Also watch here. Successful Google account remove. Like video for more Google Pixel FRP videos. Next video will be lock FRP bootloader lock mobile. How to bypass bootloader lock FRP. Next video. Now this Google Pixel 7 Pro FRP successful bypass. You can use now everything. Thank you for watching.